Hello and welcome to this ADHD realistic clean along. Let's clean our room so that we don't develop depression. Hopefully this will help you clean your dirty room as well, because this method is great for those of us with an executive dysfunction perk. And everyone knows that your room only gets this bad if you have ADHD or kids. Or both being serious conditions requiring a doctor's diagnosis. Start by clearing off your bed so you can make it. This will trick you, the person listening to this, into believing you're halfway done, inspiring you to keep going despite the awful truth. After I clean up everything on top of, around, on the side of, and underneath my bed, I like to grab the edge of my bed sheet and wiggle it around, something quite like this. I don't really know what that is. Now that we've finished the most boring part of making the bed, we can get to the fun part, which is throwing your cover around as if it owes you money. All of this money collecting really worked up a sweat, so I decided to take a break from making my bed. That's about as much as I can mentally afford to do right now. So next, I believe they recommend that you pick up any trash. So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, it feels like there's way more trash in here than what I just picked up. But, I'm sure there will be once I start putting other stuff away. For now, let's move on to laundry. We're so close, guys. This is a lie. She lied. This blanket is technically laundry, so. Gather your dirty and not dirty clothes. Oh wait, that's not dirty clothes. Now that you've gathered all of the clean clothes you've refused to fold for the last 3 months, I'm going to show you how people with actual lives put their clothes away. Now we're going to do the no fold method, which is my favorite way of not folding my clothes. Let me just show you. If you only have 3 hangers like I did, you might need to buy some, like I did. Whatever's not gonna get wrinkled anyways, like leggings or like stretchy shorts or pajama pants, we're not gonna fold them. Anything that will get wrinkled, like special pants, will get hung up, which will take like 2 seconds, and then all put away at once. And it is very nice to know that half of my workload is getting eliminated. This gets hung up. Bam! This could get wrinkly. This will not get wrinkly. These are essentially just my work pants. These will also not get wrinkly. These will also not get wrinkly. Not wrinkle. Wrinkle. Please let me zip you. I'm on a timer here, lady. Please. Problem solved. Shorts won't wrinkle. Bra won't wrinkle. Put that in a pile over there. Towels. Mommy will kill me if I don't fold these. I did not realize how much I talked to myself until just now. Scissors? What are you doing there, silly goose? Wrinkled my bloomers. These won't get wrinkled, but I love them so much, so I'm going to hang them up. To the wall, went back to New York. To the wall, went back to New York. Nah, you get the gist of it. I pretty much put away all of the clean clothes I had. Keep in mind, this is not like a normal load of laundry. This was everything I collected from my room in 11 minutes, which I could have done faster, but I wanted this to be a relatable video. So I didn't use witchcraft, but it's pretty efficient if I do say so myself. I don't actually own a dresser, so I keep all of my underwear in this treasure chest, and once you put that away, we can move on to shoes. We are moving on to shoes. I already said that. Now, if you're normal, like me, you keep your closet door closed to keep the monsters inside, but that also means that your closet floor doesn't get that much love and attention, so don't forget to pet it and let it know that you still care. 10 sweeping. Congratulations, you finished the shoes. I don't really know what comes next, like off the top of my head, but it's definitely not clean now. So now we're just making shit up. And as I look around, I'm seeing toiletries and I'm seeing craft stuff. Yeah. This is the part of the cleaning that takes the longest because everything left is miscellaneous. So you could slowly organize your room the traditional way or ask God to cut out the walking in between. It really cuts down your working time. There's about 12 empty packets of sugar in the rock in the bottom of my purse. Love that sugar from Popeyes. At this point, I'm just mindlessly organizing my things because I desperately want to be done with this part of the cleaning. But story time. I don't really like plants. I think they require too much maintenance, and my thumbs are brown, not green, so I would much rather have a cat instead. But I got a plant. And overall, she's been great. There's a certain calmness that she brings to my life. You know, I feel a lot more relaxed around her. She ended up being okay, and afterwards we had a serious talk about window safety and ways to avoid accidents in the future. But after I put Abriella T in a safer place, I went back to, you guessed it, cleaning my room. Remember a minute into this video when I said we were almost there, guys? Alright, looking good. Make sure you don't miss anything. You're almost done, so close. And look, you've gotten this far without dropping a single item. Yeah! So we just got to vacuum. Let's go! I'm a firm believer that vacuums are superior for people with ADHD. I mean, just look at this. Like, there's no sweeping, there's no bending down and picking it up and throwing it away. I just feel like all of the steps are consolidated. And if you don't have a small vacuum, get you one. What I will say though is that just like your puppy warned you, vacuums are violent and they will bite. So make sure that you watch that thing and do not walk it without a leash because they are serious. And well, bam, look at that. The room is clean, looking all fresh, ready for a new project. She's dang sure ain't perfect, but it's better than where we started, and that's all I needed. I just hit my funny bone like 3 different times. Thank you so much for watching this clean with me. I hope you cleaned your room as well. Let's get out of that negative headspace. And yeah, I am about to go make mine messy again. Toodaloo.